Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs poached full guide. Begin with fresh eggs and a wide shallow pan, and bring water to a gentle simmer with a splash of vinegar to help whites set. Create a soft whirlpool, slip in one egg at a time, and cook about 3 minutes for a runny yolk. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper before serving. Enjoy. Mastering timing and water temperature makes poaching reliable and repeatable. Use the freshest eggs available and keep water at a low simmer to avoid violent bubbles. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar per liter to help whites set without tasting vinegary. Test with 1 egg first to adjust 3-minute timing for a runny yolk or 4 minutes for a slightly firmer center. Practice makes perfect. Keep notes on timing and pan size. Serve poached eggs immediately for best texture and taste. Place them atop buttered toast, roasted vegetables, or salad greens for a quick meal. Season simply with salt and freshly ground black pepper, or add a sprinkle of paprika, chives, or grated Parmesan for extra flavor. To reheat cooked poached eggs, gently warm in water at low heat for about 1 minute to avoid overcooking the yolk and maintain creaminess. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.